Hello guys, in this video I want to share with you how Warmy integrates with HubSpot. So if we will click on the integrations tab, and we add all these integrations very soon, but we have right now maintain HubSpot, you can add with one click HubSpot to your Warmy account. And what you can do basically is to run a test with one click and analyze the deliverability of your account on HubSpot. And this will give you the indication about the performance of your emails on HubSpot. Also, what you can do is to import your templates from HubSpot to Warmy, and to add these templates to the warm up. You can check these templates. You can see how if they're good in terms of deliverability, spammy words, etc. So this is also a great feature we have in Warmy, and can help you with your CRMs. And very soon we will add all of them here. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.